Next we have to implement the attack. Open the behavior tree and create new service called BTS is attack. Add variables. Attack distance of float type. Is attack is backbot key selector. And target of backbot key selector. Make these variables public. Implement event receive TKI. Get the target and call getBackbot value as actor. Get its location and get the location of the controlled pawn. Use the distance vector function. And check if this distance is less than or equal to attack distance. Then call setBackbot value as bool for is attack key. And set the comparison result as the value. Open the backbot and add a boolean key called is attack. Open the behavior tree and add the attack service to the node that runs if the enemy has a target. Set the attack distance to 250. Is attack to is attack. And target to target. Add another sequence and add a decorator backbot based condition. Set the query check to is attack. Change the node name to is attack. And set the observer bots to self. From this node call rotate to face BB entry. Set the target as backbot key. And change the name to rotate to target. For the attack, create a new task called BTT attack. In the event receive execute AI, cast controlled pawn to BP enemy, and call set melee attack enabled with true. Then call finish execute. Open the behavior tree and use a new task. Open BP enemy. Open BP enemy and in the melee attack print attack. Check how it works, and it works well. Now we have to implement attack and other animations in the enemy.